Welcome to our Algebra 1. Today I will to solve a radical equation. Very easy class, Algebra 1. So welcome. Our problem is solved for j. We have the square root of -8 minus 10j equals to square root of -6j. Alright, to solve for a variable, use inverse operation. Inverse operation. To handle operation in the equation. This is the direction. So be sure to get it like terms. In this case, in this example, we have 10j and then negative 10j and then negative 6j, and to do the same operation. So do the same operation in both sides of the equation. All right. Let's see and solve this problem. It's very easy. Algebra 1. I like this class. Okay. First step. Let's write solve. So right here, all the step. We have our problem is a square root of -8 minus 10j equals a square root -6j. Okay, now we have to square both sides. In this side, in this example, square both sides. See, that's this step. So if you square the both sides, we will have -8 here minus 10j equals -6j. Okay, so now whereas now we have to add to both sides. We have to add 10j in both sides. Okay, to both sides. See, and then the next step, you do that. You solve that. You added 10j in both sides and then solve operations. We will have -8 here equals 6j, right? 6j. So now we have no, not 6j. You divide. We have 4 here. 4. This is 6j. You add it right here. You will have 4j. Yeah, because you move this side is -10. You move it to the other side. It's +10. +10 minus 6j. You will have 4j. Right? Now divide both sides by 4. By 4. If you do that, you will have -2. Yeah, -2 equals j. So this is our answer. This is the solution here. See? I skipping the step. Just I write in the direction. You must be able to do those steps and then get it the answer in each step. Just follow direction. Okay. Let's try to solve another problem. Let's see, and then show you. I will show you another example. Okay. Let's write another problem. So this problem solved for j. Okay. Our problem, it is a square root of -3 minus 5j. Okay, equals. It is very simple. It's very easy. 2j. All right. So what is the next step? Well, the first step. Okay, so we have negative, how we write the problem right here? No, not right here. The square root of negative 3 minus 5y equals negative 2y. So now square both sides, okay? Remember, first step is square both sides. So if you square both sides, you will have, after that, here, negative 3, negative 5y, and then this side, negative 2y. Yeah, square both sides. Okay, next step, you have light term right here, this and this. You must move negative 5y to the with this side with negative 2y. So add it here, add negative 5y 5y or negative 5y or positive. Yeah, it must be positive in both sides, because when you move it to this, it changes the sign, right, to both sides. And then if you add it, positive 5, because I'm on both sides, positive here and positive here, you will have, and then here, just cancel, negative 3 equals, here, positive 5 minus 2 is equals 3y. Now in this step, divide both sides by 3. You divide by 3, yeah, this is 3. This is multiplication this side. You move it to the other side. Remember, it's the inverse operation. It's a multiplication. Multiplication, and this is division. So divide both sides by 3. You do that, the answer will be negative 1y. See, this is our answer. Easy, no? Easy class. So thank you so much. I'm waiting for you for next time. Thank you.